Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
This guide shows how to generate realistic photos with Google Gemini image models. You need a Google account, an API key, or web access to start. Install the official SDK or open the Gemini image web interface for your workflow. Set default resolution to 1024 x 1024 and color depth to 24-bit for consistent quality. Choose an aspect ratio like 3:2 when framing people or landscapes. Prepare reference images and explicit style notes to guide the model toward accurate visual results. Write prompts with a clear subject, adjectives, and lighting instructions under 25 words. Start with the main subject, add camera type, and lens information for realism. Include precise measurements like 3.5 inches or 300 dpi when size matters. Mention time of day and mood to control color temperature and shadows. Attach 1 or 2 reference images to preserve composition or texture details. Optionally, add a numeric seed to reproduce consistent variations across multiple generations. Generate images with the Gemini model and review 3 or 5 variations for the best result. Use in-app crop, color, and detail sliders to refine output quickly. If needed, export an intermediate PNG and perform external edits in a photo editor. Keep edits at 300 dpi and 24-bit color to preserve print quality. For reproduction, export final photos as PNG or high-quality JPEG at 1024 x 1024 or your chosen aspect ratio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.